Welcome back, Blessed family. Pedro here with another video. I hope you guys are having a great week. Just wanted to let you guys know we had such an amazing week with my students this past week. Over $4,200 profit. Amazing results. So if you're looking to level up on your trading, or you've been struggling, I know a lot of you guys have been struggling with your trading and finding the perfect entries, finding the best probable setups, I want you to know that this is a community you can count on, and I'm here to help you guys out. So make sure you guys stick to the end of this video, because I'm gonna show you my exact strategy and how I was able to catch this amazing opportunity on EURUSD that went exactly as expected. All right, team, let's dive right in. Let's not waste any time. So as you guys can see, this is my gold trade. This is another trade opportunity that we had, but that's for another video. So stay tuned for that, because this video is going to be coming out as well. So let's dive in, guys. What were we looking at? EURUSD. As you guys know, we always want to look at the higher time frames, because this is going to tell us the overall direction of the market. This is really, really important, guys. Trust me. If I repeat it over and over, it's because it's really significant, okay? Now, this is what you could see. I saw a head and shoulders pattern formation starting to form, because I noticed that price was coming to the downside previously. Okay, this is the daily time frame. Okay, we were in this downwards momentum. Look at this 200 moving average. You could see that price was trading below it, and you could see that the 200 moving average was trading above price, and we finally saw a break. Now, in this break above the 200 moving average, we knew that price was most likely going to come back down and use it as a level of support. Not only that, but I also noticed that price was going to start forming some sort of a pattern here. I noticed that it was forming a head and shoulders pattern formation, so I pulled this out, and I noticed that we had the left shoulder here. We also had the head and the right shoulder starting to form. So when I saw this trade opportunity, I noticed that price came back up to this right shoulder, and this was a level of resistance. Previous level support over here on the left hand side, and future level resistance. Okay, now let me clear the charts and let's replay everything. But before we replay, pay close attention, guys, because this is how you're able to catch these amazing trade setups. Okay, so over here on the right hand side where this right shoulder was, I saw price come up to this level structure. Okay, and I noticed that price broke below this level here. So I'm going to delete this now here, this right shoulder pattern formation here, but I noticed that price started to reject the highs, which was a major level of resistance on the higher time frames like the daily and the 4 hour. Okay, I then narrowed it down to the 30-minute time frame, and I noticed that this was starting to range. Not only did I notice that it started to range, but I knew that it was a major resistance area. Okay, and I knew that price was most likely going to reject this level structure. Okay, so then I looked to the left and I saw what price did in the past. When price came back up to these highs, look what happened. Price rejected it nicely. So does this mean 100% is going to happen? No, not necessarily. It's not always going to happen, but my confirmation for entry was right away when I saw it break this previous low. So once it broke this previous low that price respected in the past, because you could see here, look, resistance, boom, melted, resistance, boom, melted, right? So now it was holding it as a level of support, but then we saw all of a sudden this volume come in with strong momentum. Okay, guys, pay close attention. We had strong momentum push. So once we had this push here, I noticed that we pulled back to this level. So look at this. We had strong momentum push, we had a pullback, and then we had this strong push all the way down. Now, this happened before I went to bed, and this is where I told you guys go watch my other live streams. I actually shared this video in the live streams for free. Literally, I told you guys, okay guys, it's gonna retest this level structure. I'm gonna get in on sell opportunities here, go to bed, and I woke up the next morning and price went exactly as expected. In fact, it went over 142 pips. I had woken up to $2,200 profit on that trade alone, and it ended up going around 84 pips on, I think I did 2 lots on that one. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I knew that we were at that major resistance area on the higher time frames. Remember the head and shoulders pattern formation. That's all I saw, guys. I knew that we were most likely going to pull back on the higher time frames. I saw the pattern form out. I saw that we were at a major resistance area. Okay, I narrowed it down to the smaller time frame, and then I knew, okay, you know what, most likely price is going to come back down and retest these lows here, because the higher time frames have a higher significance, right? We know that that's something that we have to consider. Okay, because you don't want to just be focusing, guys, on the smaller time frames all the time, because you're going to be like, oh well, this is a strong momentum push, for example, and I'm waiting for the pullback, because you never know that the overall sentiment is maybe bullish and you're looking at a bearish movement, right, in a smaller time frame. So you always kind of want to scope out and understand where you are. That way you understand kind of the whole route and the overall direction that that the market is trying to head, right? And so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's simple. I saw that nice strong momentum break. I waited for the retest. We got the retest. And in fact, if we narrow this down to the 15-minute time frame, okay, not only did we get the retest, but this was an extra confirmation. But listen closely, guys. We had the strong momentum from the highs to the lows. And if you look at my Fibonacci here, you can see that the price literally rejected our 0.618 and 0.50 level of structure. So not only did we get that rejection here, we knew that we had the strong momentum breaking previous lows. Look at this previous low here, right here. I'm highlighting it over here, guys. Okay. And we broke it and retested it and rejected this level structure. So that was a confirmation for me. We had two rejections of this level of structure here, and on the next bearish candle I got in on entries. I set my stop loss, and it's this simple, guys. Literally, you put it on here, you set your stop loss, you manage your risk, you say, you know what, I'm going to put here 25 pip stop and target. For example, this would have been my TP1 here, but I just let it ride. I sometimes, especially when I'm doing overnight, guys, trades, I let it take profit open, because you never know, that price may push when the volume comes in from New York, it might push price further, and then that way you don't miss out on further profit. So look, TP1 would have been here 41 pips, and then I would have targeted, well, my original target was this level structure here, the support level, which is about 81 pips. Okay, and price, you can see that price went much further and gave us way over 142 pips, guys. Literally in our favor, guys. So yeah, that's literally how I was able to scope out this opportunity. I didn't focus so much on, oh, look, it's holding this level of support. I focused at the bigger picture because I knew that this was a heavy resistance area. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. If you understood this trade setup, let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. Also, if you have any questions, don't be shy, guys. Comment below. If you're new to the family, let me know in the chat box below, or in the comment box below. Sorry, I'm so used to saying that. And yeah, guys, make sure you also check out our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on our Telegram group. It's absolutely free to join. And also, if you're looking to level up your trading, you're looking to learn and grow and learn and earn at the same time, make sure you guys check out my VIP Inner Circle, guys. The link is in the video description below. Actually discounted it for a limited time, my lifetime memberships. So make sure you guys go check that out. With that being said, guys, I will catch you until next time. Thank you so much.